Are you tired of juggling multiple AI tools just to create and edit images? If you are like many of us, you are probably tired various AI image generators and editing software. While these tools are powerful, they often come with price tag or limitation if you are using the free version.
अरे बाप रे, ये तो धोती खोल रहा है.
But what if I told you there's a game-changing tool that lets you generate and edit images for free without any restriction? With this tool, you can do more than just create images. You can edit them like a pro. From changing colors and replacing objects to removing unwanted items and even creating side views, the possibilities are endless. And here the best part, by the end of this video, you will learn how to write a detailed prompt that combines two images seamlessly. Stick around until the end. I will share my top secret prompt formula that will take your image editing skill to the next level. The tool I'm talking about is Google Gemini 2.0 Flash Model by Google AI Studio. To start, click on the Google AI Studio link provided in the description. This will take you to the main page. To choose the model, select the Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Generation model. For the output format, choose image and text. To create the image, just click on the create prompt and name your project and click save. Once created, the project will appear below in the library section. Click on it and proceed. Before creating the image, I want to share an important piece of information about the setting. Make sure to go to the settings and enable the auto saving. If you don't enable it, your image will disappear even if you reload the page.
Goodbye.
Now here you have to write the prompt, and this is the prompt. The prompt is about a hippo sitting near to the pool with the coconut water. So once you write the prompt, you can click on the run button and the image will create. Well, the Google created the image in 4.7 seconds. That quite faster than other AI tools. Let's view the image. Look at the hippo huge smile. It's really captured the happy part of the prompt. The colors are so bright and cheerful, making the whole scene super dramatic and fun. The AI really captured that classic Disney Pixar look, from smooth texture to overall animation style. Okay, let's try the image editing things. I will replace the coconut water with orange juice in the image. Here's the output. That's really impressive. It seamlessly replaced the coconut water with orange juice, and everything else in the image is exactly same. You can also edit an already generated image. Just upload the image. By using this prompt, you can generate a side view of the image. The side view image has been generated and it looks truly impressive. Let's try another angle of this image. This one also really good, and let me try another one. Let me try the front view. If you compare the side view, rear view, front view with the original image, everything remains consistent. The t-shirt, hair color, even the background are the same. Now let's try adding the text, logo and changing the color of the image. So this is the image and I will add the text to the t-shirt. So this is the prompt. I will add the text WhatsApp on the t-shirt. The text WhatsApp was added to the t-shirt seamlessly and it looks natural and perfectly integrated into the design. Suppose you make a mistake in the prompt and you want to update the prompt. In that case, just click on the edit, update the prompt and click on this logo and it will regenerate the image. Having updated the text to WhatsApp, the result maintains a natural and perfectly integrated appearance on the t-shirt. So if you want to add a logo instead of text, simply upload the logo and use this prompt. Having updated the text to a logo of a red rose, the design looks fantastic on the t-shirt. Now let's try colorizing the black and white photo. So this is the image and type this prompt and hit enter. Having colorized the black and white image, the transformation is truly stunning. The added color greatly enhanced the image, although there's a slight color variation on the code between the left and the right side. Alright, now I will try changing the hairstyle. Just upload the image and type this prompt and hit enter. The black curly hairstyle looks incredibly natural with soft defined curly hair that gives an effortlessly authentic and lively appearance. It's perfectly complements the overall looks as if it's a natural style hair texture. I experimented with the various hairstyles on the image and the results are fantastic. Each style adds a distinct charm, highlighting how creative and impactful hair styling can be. So this is a half body image and I want to create a full body image. In that case, type this prompt and you will get the full body image. Turning the half body image into a full body portrait is stunning, bringing the look to life with added depth and detail. So Google AI Studio can combine multiple images into one. For example, I have an image of a model and a car. I want to create an image where the car door is open and the model is inside the car. To generate this kind of image, you will need a detailed prompt. First, go to perplexity.ai and load the image Once the image uploaded, type this prompt to receive the detailed prompt for generating the image. You can modify this part according to your need. Just on the Pro mode and click enter. Alright, our text to image prompt is ready. Just copy this prompt, then visit Google AI Studio, upload the image. Once the image is uploaded, just paste this prompt and click on the run button. Here's the output. The image of young woman and the red Lamborghini is perfectly aligned. It makes a super cool feature. This is what I call magic. If you like this kind of content, then check out this playlist about AI tools. I have added the links in the I button, end screen and the pin comment. That's all for today's video. Hit the like button if you like this video and do subscribe to my channel.